What do you see? What do you see? Look, Arendelle! Elsa's castle's down there.
Elsa World and Cars World are into their one?
Yeah.
Cool.
Ooh, chugga 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 choo choo. Is this like Disneyland's version of the People Mover?